Divergent paths, shared support. Best friends Mia and Emma shared countless hours studying together. Their shared diligence fueled their mutual passion for knowledge. Years passed, and their professional paths began to form. Mia dedicated herself to the demanding world of medicine. Her commitment earned her recognition as a renowned doctor. Meanwhile, Emma's entrepreneurial spirit took flight. She successfully launched her own influential fashion brand. Though miles apart, their careers were flourishing independently. Their paths had diverged, but their bond remained unbreakable. Mia proudly listened to Emma's latest business triumphs. And Emma always offered support for Mia's demanding medical work. Supporting each other's journeys, always close friends.